sweaty. Whee! So we're going to pour this into the cup, and then we're going to take the water, and we're going to take it and pour it on top, and then we're going to start stirring it, and then we'll put this rock into here, and same with every other, and then we'll have to, when the rock's in, we're going to pour this stuff inside of there, and we're going to use this to sprinkle on the rocks. Doesn't that make sense? YouTube people? Anyways. I know, silly. No. Now should I pour? Okay. I'm starting, people. Whoever's watching this better be happy. It's hot. Whoa, is that... Should I pour more? Yeah. That's probably good. Should I pour more? That's good. One more. One more? This is how much water I love doing. So now that the water's super. Now do I stir? Stir. Until the powder's all gone. I'm making it go in circles so it can go. It will never get yellow or... Hello, secret camera. Okay, when this one's cooling down, we're going to start mixing another one because it's taking too long for that one to cool down, so boom, I report it. Easy. Now we need to get a scoop of... Ooh, that's a full cup. It became green! The green's a bit too high, but... Oh. Go blue! Do-do-do-do. Now, I want to see what kind of blue it turns to. Ooh. I think I just need a tiny. That's better. There. That's it for the blue. And... that isn't so hot. Stir. Stir this. Or the green. Green? Green time! The blue isn't so hot. Green is done. No. Ooh, it's getting rid of pretty fast. Only a teeny bit to go. Sorry. I don't know why I said teeny, but I like saying teeny a lot. Ooh. It's getting tornado. The blue one now? Okay. Ooh, this has a lot of powder. Oh wow. I can pick up a lot. There's so much in this. Oh. So we stirred all the mixtures, so we're going to start putting the rocks in. Woohoo! I need to put on my safety glasses, I forgot. Now let's start pouring. Now we're going to take this, right? And then we sprinkled it on top of the rock. Now, the green doesn't have its huge rock in, so I'm putting the huge. Now that that rock's so huge, it could spill. Definitely good. I spilled a lot. Well, that one's done. That was easy. The green one and the yellow one is officially done. And in the last video, I did say officially done. Officially. If you see my last video I did once, yeah. That video was super crazy. This video is crazy too. Okay, that was crazy. Now that the blue one needs its powder, I think we've finished. We just need to wait a couple days now. Isn't that easy? These have grown a huge way. See, look, they've grown. And they've worked this entire current. I keep knocking on this every single video. These are going to grow in a few days. The yellow, green, blue. And please like and subscribe, but these are not going to grow for 1,000 days. And this is where they grow.